Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I missed you guys so much. So today we are going to film this makeup look. This is like a day makeup look. You can wear it for a brunch or just going out in the day. So I'm starting off with applying primers on my face. You guys know how much I love my primers, and it's always good to prime your face nicely to create a nice base for makeup. So I have applied a moisturizing primer first, and then I'm using a pore minimizing primer, both from Maybelline. Now I'm moving on to my concealer to hide the dark spots on my face and applying the same under my eyes and around my nose and around my mouth where I have a little darkness. Then I'm using my PAC concealer blending brush and I'm just blending everything in. Now I'm going in with another concealer. This is from Too Faced in the shade Natural Beige, and I'm just dotting it all over my face and using a kabuki brush from PAC Cosmetics to blend everything in. Make sure you are blending your foundation nicely. And then just to highlight a little bit, I am using a Maybelline concealer in the shade Light and applying it on the usual areas. You guys know the drill by now. If no, then you can check out my videos on the channel. Everything is there, and I'm just blending it with the same brush. Now I'm setting my concealer with a white translucent powder. This was from RCMA, and I'm not baking, just placing it on my face. And for my bronzer, now I'm using my Benefit Hoola bronzer, and with the angled shape brush I'm just gonna shape up and bronze my face a little bit, shaping up my cheekbones, around my forehead, then and around my jawline to hide that double chin, warming up my face a little bit and just putting the rest on my nose. Now for my blush, I'm going in with this Color Bar blush. This is like a peach blush, and I'm first patting the product and then blending it into my skin nicely, and whatever is left on the brush I'm just applying it over my nose and chin. And for my highlighter, this is my absolute favorite, like all-time favorite highlighter from Becca. This is Moonshine, not the Champagne Pop. Moonshine is better for Indian skin tones and little warm skin tones, and applying it on the high points of my face. Then moving on to my eyes, I'm using a eyebrow mascara from NYX Cosmetics, and I'm just brushing my eyebrows with it. I'm not going heavy with any eyebrow product today. And for my eyeshadow, I'm using my absolute favorite, this is all I need, eyeshadow palette, and using that shade and applying it all over my eyes. And don't forget to apply it below your, like, under your lower lash line as well, to give it a equal look. Now I'm going in with a darker brown shade and applying it all over my eyes. Now using a kajal, I am roughly lining my eyelids, and then using a pencil brush I'm blending that in just to give a little dimension to my eyes. Now I'm using the Bad Girl Bang mascara from Benefit and applying it on my eyelashes. For my lips, I'm using the NYX Lingerie lipstick. The shade is in the description box. Now to set everything in, I'm using this Pixie face mist. I'm just going to do my hair and I'll be back. So this is the final look, guys. This is like my go-to look. So I'm going on a brunch today, and I guess this is a perfect look for the same. So this was it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do not forget to subscribe, share and like, and also drop in the comments to let me know if you like this video or not, and I would see you guys in my next one. Take care. Bye bye.